We're here today with Skylar Legault, our demo technician, and we're going to review the procedures for changing over material with these beautiful Kremlin pumps. We're going to cycle between stain, sealer, showing the process on how to change products within the same pump, and that's it. So away we go. So Skylar, go ahead. What are we doing?
Okay, so first, right now we have water in our lines. We're gonna start putting in our stain and loading it up for production. First, what we need to do is we are going to open up the valve, our return valve, and we are going to pull out our suction rod. The reason why we're doing this is we want to create an air pocket in the line to separate the water from the stain. The pump's going to stroke a couple times, and then you'll hear this. That's our air pocket, which means we can throw the suction rod in, close this slightly.
So we're now pushing the water out of the line until we get to the air pocket, which will let us know that the line is completely loaded with stain, and we'll be ready to spray out the residual. And it's water in this case, but it could be solvent or thinner if we're using a solvent-based product. The procedure is the same. So once the return line empties out,
that looks like our stain.
So yeah, we're at the stain, very close. So Skylar's just kind of taking his time with the valve so we don't get a big burst of fluid after we hit air.
So now the rest, what we can do is we can blow out the guns.
Okay. So we're gonna start the spray machine, and we're gonna push the product through.
Just hit the fan button.
Yep, turn it on. Go ahead. Okay. So the remainder of the water that is basically from the manifold down to the guns automatically sprays out, and then when we get to the stain, which is imminent, we'll be ready to begin spraying. And then there you go. You'll see the color change. The last of the solvent or water or whatever it happens to be blows out. On the Cefla, we set a predetermined time. It's usually around 20 seconds to assure that everything's out of the lines. And that's it. So that would be the procedure from switching from one product to the next in the same pump.